not a waste. Because I will be giving you 2 dangerous steps. Oga, take.
Come. What happen? Yeah? Your money is 300, not 200.
What do you mean? Oga, you didn't take me to my destination. So your money is 200 naira. How will I give you 300 for what?
Oga, see where you dey go here. They see where my keke for spoil. Now keep spoil my keke spoil now.
I have just 300 naira for your information. So this 200 naira, hold it. Because this 100 naira, I will use it to pay transport back. I'm going back.
Oga, give me my money. Which kind of be that one? I saw on the talk story. Give me my money, Joe. This kind of nonsense. You know who they speak English. Give me my money.
I just hope you don't want to bite more than what you can chew.
Oga, forget that English where you
speak.
You
will not like what will happen to you.
Leave that English where you speak. I don't want to hear that one. Give me my money.
Okay, leave me alone.
Oga, I don't leave you. Give me my money.
Please, young man, what is the problem?
Oga, thank you. I'm on my way somewhere. His keke got spoiled. Now, I gave him 200 naira. He said I must pay him 300 naira, which was our initial agreement. But now he didn't take me to where I was going to. Moreover, I have just 300. At least, if I'm going back, I can use this 100 naira to transport back. That's all.
Okay, and he has not taken you to your destination?
He has not taken me to my destination.
Young man, what is it now?
Oga, see where this man they go here. Now, spoil my keke spoil for here. Then you give me my money completely, they say no.
If you don't leave me now,
Okay, you don't do anything.
It's okay, it's okay. Just stop the argument. It's okay. Take this 1,000. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. See your mate. He said,
okay, come here.
I know that. Leave it.
Allow him now. Leave him.
He does not deserve the 1,000 naira. His money is 300. At least let him give me the change.
It's okay. We are going to your direction. Just up in. We'll drop you off.
At least you would have allowed me to collect that change from that man.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You don't have to quarrel over. It's okay, young man. I'm so sorry about what happened.
At least you could have just allowed me to collect the change from that man.
No, it's not necessary. Violence doesn't solve anything. Anyway, we are going for a seminar. And the seminar is tagged How to Become a Billionaire in 2 hours. So it's a very wonderful seminar. If you don't mind, you can join us.
In Estate Gate?
Yes, at Estate Gate.
I am the guest speaker of that program.
You mean you are the guest speaker in that program?
Yes, I'm the guest speaker of that program.
One chance. And I put money to register for this program,
It's not a waste. Because I will be giving you 2 dangerous steps of becoming a billionaire in 2.
Can I know my offense?
These people go pay for poverty.
Who go see them mad?
Very good.